In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect email in QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to email invoices, estimates, or other forms directly from QuickBooks Desktop, the first thing you need to do is connect your email properly. Once this is set up, sending documents becomes much faster and more convenient because you won't need to leave QuickBooks each time you want to share something with a customer. The setup only takes a few moments, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop and going to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From there, select Preferences. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the settings that control how the program works, including email options. Inside the Preferences window, look for Send Forms and click on it. This section is specifically used for configuring the email method QuickBooks will use when sending forms and documents. Once you're there, make sure you're on the My Preferences tab. This tab is where you choose the email service you want QuickBooks Desktop to work with. At this point, you'll usually see options such as Webmail or Outlook. Choose the one that matches the email method you want to use. If you use an email account through a web-based provider, select Webmail. If you prefer to send messages through Microsoft Outlook, choose Outlook instead. Picking the correct option here is important because it determines how QuickBooks connects when you send forms. After selecting your preferred email option, click Add Edit. This opens the setup area where you can connect the account. Follow the prompts on the screen to sign in or authorize the connection to your email server. Depending on the email service you use, QuickBooks may open a sign-in window or ask for permission to connect. Go through each prompt carefully and make sure the authorization is completed fully so the connection can work without issues. As you do this, take a moment to confirm that the correct email account is being connected, especially if you manage more than one address on your computer. Also, if the sign-in window doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds, since some systems take a moment to load the authorization screen. Once the prompts are complete, your email should now be connected in QuickBooks Desktop. After that, you'll be able to send forms more smoothly right from the program. If you run into trouble, it often helps to go back to the Send Forms preferences and review the selected option to make sure it matches the email service you actually use. That's it. Your QuickBooks Desktop email setup should now be ready to go.